to another video, and in today's video is going to be a vlog, and I don't know if any of you guys remember, or obviously there's going to be new people, new subscribers, but for my birthday, for the what I got for my birthday video, I told you guys that I'm getting a bike for my birthday from my mum, and that's still happening. So today my uncle's fixed me one up. So I'm riding to my uncle's house with my mum and brother on my bike and in my old bike. He's having my old bike and then I'm grabbing my new one and riding that home. So I'll be able to show you guys later on when I get home. Or if not, then I'll just show you guys tomorrow because I don't know how late it's going to be. Because it's maybe about half an hour ride and obviously we're going to hang out at his a little bit and stuff like that. But right now I'm just getting ready because I'm going to take Holly out for a walk, because obviously it's not safe to ride our bikes whilst walking like Holly because of her really bad fear of cars, although she's getting better. But yeah, I can't wait to show you guys what the bike is going to look like. So I'll see you guys in a bit. I look forward to seeing the bike, hopefully in the next clip. Alright guys, the black one's mum's bike, but this red one is my new bike. And it's a Dakota. And it's really nice. Has metal pedals, before mine had just plastic, but these ones have metal. And it has these like click gears. So it has low friction and high friction or traction, and then it has 5 gears, and it's a beautiful red colour and actually matches with my bike lock. But I am going to buy another one because that one's like a cheap plastic one and it's not really very good. You could cut it I could cut it with my kitchen scissors. But anyway, the seat's really comfortable. It has springs on the bottom so that when you sit on it, it bounces down a little bit. So I have the tyres off my old bike, but the inner tubes off this bike because my old bike's inner tubes on the back. There was a puncture, which I got literally the day I was given to my uncle, I think, or maybe like the ride before that. But anyway, yeah, there's the bike. Comment down below what you think of it. And yeah, this one in the background is Mum's. Yeah, there we go. Is that enough? Should we do one more? Small one. There we go. Right guys, so I'm just cleaning up the birds, and as you can see there's only one in the cage because the other one's here. So I've been looking at some YouTube videos lately, and it says that they actually like to just be free, get let out and stuff, and I'm going to try and tame them because I think I've had them long enough. So obviously he's never been out before, so he's a little bit stressed, but he'll come out more and more, and hopefully this guy will come out. And yeah, they will be able to fly around a little bit. Okay guys, so as you can see they're both out now, just cleaning out their thing, and they're both out on the radiator. They have actually flew into the window, but they haven't hurt themselves, and that's part of like the learning process. So they'll learn that windows aren't like safe or anything. But yeah, there's our birds. Hopefully we'll be able to like catch them to get them back into the cage afterwards. Okay guys, so I went online a bit and I searched up birds and stuff, and I realised that they're actually meant to eat lots of fruit, fresh fruit and veg. So I've just got them this little bit from the tomato, and then some chopped tomatoes here, and then some nice green spinach. Just going to feed them, chop a little bit more of the seedy bits. As you can hear, they're still over there chilling. You literally can hardly see them, but they're both there. Don't worry, the radiator's not on. It's off. It hasn't been on since last night, so it's definitely cold. And this is kind of what I'm eating, but just chuck a little bit of those in for them. So that's what they'll have. Along with, they are eating seeds at the minute. These seeds, which are just from my local store. And when I searched it, they're not actually like pet birds. Actually, don't fly around and stuff as much as wild birds do, so they don't need seeds like the wild birds, because obviously no pet bird, no matter how big the cage, even if they were free roam around the whole house, could never fly as much, so it wouldn't burn as much calories. So they are supposed to eat them like fruit sort of things. I'll pop up a list here of some things that I know about. There obviously is going to be more, but they're just the ones that I know about. So I'm just going to pop the lid on and put it into the cage. You know, I wasn't sure whether to pop the lid on or whether to just keep it off like that so they can get straight to it. I think I might do. Oh, actually no, because it's on the bottom, so they might poop on it. So that just shields it, because birds like to be higher up, so they're always on these higher branches. As you can see, this is clean because that's where they normally go, and then all the poo falls onto the bottom branches. But yeah, they should be ready to go back in just a minute, because they've had enough out today, because it is their first time like being properly out. So I'm just going to tidy up, and then I need to do the dusting and vacuuming, but only when the birds are back in the front room, so they don't come into contact with any of the dust smells or anything, polish smells. So yeah, there's the cage complete. Alright guys, so today on the birds menu, I have chopped up really finely some broccoli and green beans, And then I've just added a little bit of seeds on top just to make it more appetizing for him. And they have a new spray of maize. So I'm just going to go and give them that.